Got the package in the mail. It's pretty beat up looking. Yeah, every time I buy on Facebook for some odd reason, packages don't come with packing material. Let's see if that's the case in this one. It looks pretty beat up. So anyways, let's cut this bastard open. There's another hole. Alright, I see my shotgun there. Let's see if it's got damage or anything like that. Well, it looks like the shock has survived. Besides this, let's see if there's any packing material. Ah, nice. Yeah, I don't think I'll be buying any more parts. On Facebook, it seems like Facebook users, they don't know what packing material is.